Hi, my YouTube family. Welcome from Elia.present Cookaninia. Friendly YouTube, social media style, all my services I a specialist for .the USA, and completely free for all. My lovely friends around the world, just subscribe and support me. Thank you so much for your love, care, and kindness. Again, subscribe and not support my daily recipe. Now let's start today. I'm sharing a super tasty recipe. Today we're making super tasty chili potatoes even better than chicken. I took 1 kilogram boiled potatoes with 5 crushed onions and 5 chopped tomatoes. Cut potatoes into small cubes. Warm 1 TBSP oil, then sauté crushed onions. Cook until golden. Add tomatoes to the onions. Add 2 teaspoons salt, teaspoon red chili powder, teaspoon turmeric powder, 0.1 teaspoon coriander powder. Add boiled potatoes. Add chicken powder. Add 1 cup of water. Add cut coriander, add cut green chilies. Now dish out. So guys, our delicious potato recipe is finally ready. It's super easy, full of flavor, and perfect for any meal if you enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more tasty recipes. Try it at home and let me know in the comments how it turned out. See you in the next video. Go check out my other videos so you can enjoy more delicious recipes like this. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any of my new uploads. See you soon. Bye bye. लाइक करके ज़रूर बताना कि आपको ये रेसिपी कैसी लगी और इस रेसिपी को एंड तक ज़रूर देखें, तभी आपको पूरा प्रोसेस समझ आएगा. Enjoy this delicious recipe.